Hello my dear darling diamonds, my dear subscribers. How are you guys doing today? I'm hoping and wishing that you guys are doing great in your lives. And in today's video, I'm going to review a product for you. Yes, this is an Ayurvedic product, and by the name of this video itself, you know the product that I'm going to review today, and it's this Roop Mantra Ayurvedic Medicinal Cream. So friends, I did receive this product as samples to try out and tell you guys about it. This is not a sponsored video. I'm not being paid to do this video. This is my honest review that I want to give to you guys about this product. But this was sent as a sample to me, so I wanted to clarify it for the sake of the video. Before we talk about the product and my experience with it, we just have to talk about the packaging. The packaging is a carton box, inside of which I got this pamphlet which has various important information which I'm going to share with you guys. The actual product comes inside a tube like this. This is a white colored tube and it has various information on it. First, let's talk about the carton box. It has all the various information regarding its manufacturing date, its expiry, and this was a 30 gram of the product which cost around 93 rupees, and there is a 60 gram product also available which is economical. You may find online what's the cost of it. It might be economical because they have mentioned here Super Saver pack of 60 gram also available. So that's the outer packaging, and it says that you have to use it for at least 3 weeks to see the result. Then it also mentions, the outer packaging itself mentions all the ingredients that have been put into the product. I'll talk about the ingredients in just a minute, and these are all herbal ingredients. And it also says that this is for refreshing, revitalizing, nourishing the skin, suitable for all skin, and helpful in protecting from acne, pimples and skin infection, etc. It gives the direction of using it. Massage gently over cleansed face twice a day or as directed by physician. Friends, this is an over-the-counter medicine which you can find everywhere. Even you can find it online on the website of the company itself. And this was something else that's written on the carton box, which says a complete Ayurvedic skin health solution for entire family for external use only. So this is to be applied externally, right? And it has various other cool messages which I really wanted to share with you guys. I have not seen this kind of a message on any other product till now, so I thought I'd share it with you. So that's one for keeping the environment clean. We see that on most products, but then they have also given this save the girl child and protect the environment, safe environment, save environment, right? How cute, right? I haven't seen anything like that before, so that's interesting. And then it also mentions a special special offer which I don't know will last for how long, but they have mentioned here a special offer of buying 7 pieces and getting 1 piece for free, which is nice. If you are using the product and really liking its effects, then you might want to buy more in bulk and utilize it for your entire family. So that's the carton box, inside of which was this pamphlet. And as you know, they say this is a Ayurvedic medicine, not a beauty cream, which I will agree with. And this Roop Mantra Saundarya Ayurvedic Mantra also has a capsule, soap and face wash, besides the Ayurvedic cream that I'm talking about in this video. And there are various testimonials by various people, and there are some awards that the company has won. So all this information about the product and the company is given here. Besides that, there are some other information which is mentioned in Hindi, and I'll try and convert it in English right now. So there are some precautions that they say that we should be taking while utilizing this particular cream for getting all of its benefits. They say परहेज एवं आवश्यक निर्देश, परहेज एवं आवश्यक निर्देश, which is like precautions and important information. They say that you should drink lots of water. That's the first one. Then they say you should have santulit ahar, that's balanced diet. Third one is have proper sleep, bharpoor neend. Then they say chehra dhone ke baad, after washing the face, use a soft and light towel. And then the last one is don't pick on the pimples or acne that you have on your face, because they might be infectious. So these are some of the informations that they have shared with us for the better benefits of this cream, to get the better benefits out of this cream. So, and they also say maintain your beautiful skin forever by using their product. So that's very promising. And they have written the Samasya Sahayak Ayurvedic cream may protect from dull skin. All that this cream does, they have said that it protects from dull skin, pimples, wrinkles, scars and dark complexion. So that's what they are promoting. That's what their cream is for. And they again have that tagline that you see on television, Roop Mantra koi cosmetic nahi, Ayurvedic aushadhi hai, because they have put in all Ayurvedic ingredients for medicinal benefits. And that's the thing that they are talking about on that pamphlet which comes in with the product. Now let's talk about the actual product. The product comes in this tube, and it's very handy dandy tube. It's easy to use and very convenient. White color, which is very hygienic, and again it has all the great messages that save the girl child, save environment, and don't litter. All the information that was there on the carton box is also there on this tube. Besides that, the tube has the MRP, manufacturing date, expiry date, everything that was there on the carton box is here. So friends, that was all about the packaging of the product. Now I want to talk about the ingredients, the things that are going into this amazing product. The ingredients are aloe vera that we are hearing about all over the internet, all over the world over, the benefits of aloe vera and everything. So aloe vera is here, which is called as Grit Kumari. Then they have mentioned other biological names, and they have mentioned the Indian names. So I will read out the Indian names because that's more beneficial, more understandable for us Indians, as this product is going to be used in India by most of us. So I thought reading out the Hindi names would be understandable for us. So the Grit Kumari or aloe vera is known to everyone. Then there is Tulsi. Then there is Haridra, Gajar, Seb, Nimbu, Kheera, Badam, Draksha, Mulethi, Neem, Chandan, and some cream base. So all these products are going to it. Then again there is the direction for usage, and keep it in cool, dark and dry space. So guys, now I'll show you the consistency of the cream. The cream has a cream or pink colored hue to it, and I have used it on my skin several times, and when it gets absorbed, then it doesn't give any oily effect to it. Like, it's not at all oily. It's like, it's not drying, but it's not oily. It's like perfect for my skin. At least I can say that for sure. There is just one problem, that there is a problem with the absorption. Initially it doesn't absorb properly, as you can see, but when it does get absorbed, you have to actually massage it in well. And when it does get absorbed, it gives a very, very smooth feel to your skin. I really wanted to do a demo and you can see the change in color of my skin here and here. Yeah, that's the finish in front of the bangle and behind the bangle. So that's how the cream has the finish. So I really like the way it feels on the skin after application. It doesn't feel sticky, but a bit of applicability is an issue. Like, it doesn't applies as smoothly as you want to, but it has so many good ingredients, I wouldn't mind that little bit of problem. So that's the only con. and I've used it for my pimples and got great benefit out of it. Like it did vanish in 2-3 applications, and I was going through lots of changes in my life which caused those pimples to come up, and this one did help. Really, I would say I'm so fortunate that I found this. It does has a flowery smell to it. It is not that irritating. It's a good smell that you can live with. So if you are looking for some cream to help you with acne, pimples, or any skin related issues, you may actually go ahead and purchase this. It's a good cream, and this gets a thumbs up from me because of having all the natural ingredients, which I will have difficulty applying on my skin as in when I want to, because I'll actually put it in a Upton or something. But when I have it in a cream form, which I can use anywhere and everywhere I want to and every day of my life, then I'm actually happy that it's coming in a packaging like this. It's overall a good cream, and I may suggest that if you have skin issues, you may go ahead and purchase it over the counter. So this was my review for the Roop Mantra cream for you guys, because it's herbal, it's Indian, and a good product. So until next time, God bless you. Thanks for tuning in, and do subscribe if you haven't done that already. Have a happy and healthy life. God bless you. Bye bye.